Namaskar. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to draw smooth lines, how to use our finger to draw smooth curves, पतले पतले लाइनें कैसे बनाई जाएं, रेखाएं कैसे बनाई जाएं, लंब कैसे बनाए जाएं, how to draw perpendiculars and circular designs, kachni, bharni, etc. And we will learn few borders. There are infinite number of borders, so we will learn only few in this lesson. Let's start. मधुबनी लाइन आर्ट में हर चीज डबल लाइन होती है, चाहे वो जानवर हो चाहे वो फूल पत्ती हो। सिर्फ इंसान का चेहरा, इंसान को डबल नहीं करा जाता है, बाकी सब डबल होता है। आउटर लाइंस जितनी होंगी दे ऑल हैव टू बी डबल। Then, like this, we'll draw another fish. Like this, our border will go, and border should always have a double line. This is our fish border or March border. एक और next border है हमारा कमल का border. तो as usual, border में double line होगी. आप double line you can leave it blank or you can draw some dashes in it like this. You can draw some triangles in it. Okay, now how do we draw the lotus border? And so on. Now lotus will have kachni and bharni both. Blank leaves will have pink color or red color. And here we'll draw lines with the black color. All flowers have to be double. Then we can have a flower border. Again, to draw a border means we have to double the line. We draw one circle, second circle, third circle, then we'll draw a flower. This will be double. So this way our border will go. Inside the petals, we can fill colors, bharni, or we can do kachni. We can also draw elephants in the border. Here we can draw the triangle to make our painting more beautiful. Now next border, again, border means we have to have a double line. In Madhubani art, double line is compulsory. So we can have an elephant. We normally show a cloth on the top of elephant. We show the eye, trunk, and one more teeth, which is half. And then we'll show a big ear for elephant. Elephant is an animal, so his body will be double. And our elephant border will continue. We can make in this border small ardhavrat kachni. The next thing comes the sugga or the bird. So again, double line. To make a suga, first this whole thing is called Alankaran. Okay. Here we can leave it blank or we can make it this. We have lots of ideas. We can make conch border or simple chakri. Chakri means just a spiral. Now we can make conch with the chakri. That's not difficult, very simple. First we'll make a chakri, then we'll bring it here. We'll double line everything. We'll draw a line here. We'll show dashes. You can show some lower part also to conch. You can make another design. These all are variations of chakra. Next design is also very similar to this. Next one is a simple triangle one. To make this, it's better that we make proper marking. I'm marking 2 centimeter and 1 in the middle. So I'll start from 0, go to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is the simple border which very commonly made in Madhubani art. When we draw the double line, then it will become a border design. Next one, again I am marking. This is our next border. Next border is same thing down. Now we'll draw triangles. Here we will draw the lines. So our border number 12 is ready. Border number 13, we can draw lines like this and we can draw curves. Same thing here. In between, what we can do, we'll mark 1 centimeter. Okay, now here we can draw a circle. The next one is the another one. We can draw double line and we can have a flower. So we have come to next border. Okay, in this first we are showing the double line. Now here semicircle. Here also semicircle. Next one is a lotus design. We'll mark 3 centimeter so that we know one lotus is coming in these 3 centimeter only. Now this one is very simple. This is our 18th border. For 19th border, first we'll draw curve. Now in the curve we are drawing a circle. This is our 19th border. Now 20th border is again everything we have to have double line. is our 20th border. Next one is very simple. Folk art is actually very simple. This is our 21st border. We can fill colors according to art, like dislike. Again, I'm marking okay. Now here, this is Lotus Border. We can fill color or we can do kachni. Now for next one, again I am marking distances. So this is done. Here we'll go give for Bharni and here we draw kachni. This is our border number 23. One, two, three, almost 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our border number 25 and 26 is very simple. We have done just now. This border will go like this. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel, Vandana's Art. Thank you for watching. Dhanyavad. Namaste.